What is up, guys? This is Light here, and today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin Ordinals, which are the most trendiest and exciting thing happening right now on Bitcoin. There's a lot of enthusiasm going around, a lot of websites being built out, a lot of communities being formed, and there's a lot of things that are coming out soon, like wallets and etc. So everything you will be seeing here today is still like very alpha stuff. So this is like the very beginning of absolutely everything regarding the ordinals. And in the ordinals.com there's a good handbook which kind of goes into like explaining a bit about this technology here. They don't really use the term NFT here. They kind of go with the term ordinals, and that's totally fine. I think there isn't really that much difference between the two, except the fact that ordinals in Bitcoin have metadata which is immutable, meaning that once you create the ordinal, there's no way to change the metadata afterwards, which is a very important thing that we need to understand. And obviously these are not exactly like smart contract based things. There's obviously been the counterparty sidechain, which we have covered in the channel with the rare pepes and stuff like that. But this is kind of like a new breakthrough using the taproot technology, which was, I believe, issued like last year, November, or was it the year before that? A significant Bitcoin update, which has basically allowed this sort of a technology to be utilized. And there is a bit of a civil war going on in the Bitcoin scene right now regarding this NFT thing. A lot of people are for it, and some people are not for it. Now, there's also a bunch of resources already built out. So there is the Ordinals wallet, which currently has a wait list. So put your email in and join the wait list. Also in this website, you can actually browse through some of these popular, collections. The Ordinal Punks is probably the most biggest ones. They are going around 3 to 4 BTC. The Ordinal Penguins, and then there's the Planetary Ordinals, which I believe is by the Ordinal Wallet team. Now, I want to also add that because we don't have any marketplaces right now, there could be, not financial advice, a lot of opportunities to make money right now by investing early, and once the markets basically come out, there might be like a huge demand for some of these earlier collections. That's just assuming. Now, there's also a website that I was able to find called the Ordinals. That is ordina.ls, and this is basically where you can find buy and sell certain things. So everything is OTC. Remember, everything right now is OTC, and we need to understand that that's a very important thing here, that there's a lot of scams going on, so you got to be really careful about this stuff. But enough about jibber jabber. Let's go into the options where we can actually like issue this shit. So this is actually relatively easy to do everything. It's just like, what purpose are you going to be creating these? Now, there's two websites that allow you to do it. One is called the Ordinals bot. The problem with this website is that it's actually charging a lot more than the one that we're going to be using. And you're going to be having the receiving BTC address. Remember, guys, that you want to use the taproot addresses to receive these transactions. So a lot of the people are currently using the Sparrow wallet, and at some point you can import your Sparrow wallet's seed phrase into the Ordinal wallet. The problem with the Sparrow wallet is that basically it's great for receiving ordinals, but it's not exactly great for like sending them, because you technically can't send them throughout this wallet. So it's great for receiving and collecting things, because obviously the original Bitcoin Core wallet right now is not exactly very good. So this is like a temporary solution for a lot of people, and maybe Sparrow will do their own update. So when you go into settings after installing Sparrow, make sure you're going to be choosing, it will automatically have native SegWit. Make sure to have taproot, and then you will get these taproot addresses which start out with BC1P. That is the indicator that it's basically a taproot address. So you want to receive your ordinals to a taproot address. This is very important, guys. Okay. So the service that we're going to be using is called Gammaio, and this is basically a Bitcoin NFT marketplace on the STX sidechain. And here you have the option, the ordinals. You're going to choose that, and then you're going to be choosing whatever you're going to be putting text, whatever that is, Bitcoin white paper or the Communist Manifesto. And we're going to be choosing image, and this is the format that they actually recommend here. The smaller the image, the less is going to be the fee of actually deploying it. So please understand that. So we're going to be hitting continue, and we're going to be putting out the normal fee here. And this is going to be the thing that we're going to be paying out. Continue. And this is going to be the recipient address. As I already explained here, and as they explained here, it needs to be a taproot address. So I'm going to be going into my Sparrow wallet, and I'm just going to be picking out here a random address which doesn't have anything. So I recommend using a different address for each transaction, so you have a better understanding in which address you have each specific ordinal. So then we're going to be hitting continue. Here's going to be the fee. You have to actually go through the actual terms of service here, and there is a fee attached to this. So you are going to be getting a bit of that Bitcoin back once the actual transaction goes through. Now, what you need to understand is that this will take some time, roughly 30 minutes, until it will go fully through and you will get your actual ordinal to your account. So I'm going to be copying the address where we're going to be sending out the payment. I'm going to be choosing my Bitcoin wallet here, send. We're going to be putting out the BTC or the address here on the top, and then we're going to copy the amount of Bitcoin that we need to pay. So it's around that much right now, 10 bucks plus the gas fees, and then it's going to be sending. And after this, you can hit done, and now you're going to be seeing the status payment pending, and you can keep, track of all of these transactions here, the recipient address, the commit transaction, and everything. And we're going to be returning roughly in 30 minutes. And after some waiting, all the transactions have finally now completed. The inscription has been issued and also have been sent to my wallet. And we can find the inscription ID here. We can copy it and we can place it on the search. And that is how we can basically find our ordinal on the chain. And also here on our Sparrow wallet, we are able to see that the transaction has gone through and we have received our ordinal alongside with some around 9k satoshis, which seems to be always the same sum, at least when you're going to be using Gamma. Now, as a reminder for everybody, when you're going to be issuing multiple different ordinals or buying ordinals, always use a different address and preferably always add a label so you have an idea, oh, this is this exact ordinal that I just bought back then, and etc. And as a quick reminder, do not send any Bitcoin from the Sparrow wallet until basically they have done some significant updates to basically accommodate this feature, or waiting obviously for that Ordinal wallet release. Now I'm also going to be linking a couple of these very useful Twitter chains where a lot of these people have documented a bit of the knowledge about the whole technology and what you should be doing and how does everything basically work. And I'm going to be adding also a couple of Discord communities which you can participate and basically buy some ordinals or trade ordinals and etc. Obviously there's a lot of scammers around, so please be careful. And in case you want to reward for my continuous work for the crypto community, you can throw me some ordinals to this address, or you can just send me some satoshis, whatever you desire. But if you have any questions, I'm going to be trying to answer those best to my ability in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for future NFT and some other content obviously on the channel, and I will cover some of the ordinal wallets once they actually come out. Thanks for watching. See you soon.